Hi, I'm Tom. Welcome to the Academy of Visual Arts. The Academy of Visual Arts was established in 2005. Our BA in Visual Arts program supports the development of well-rounded and inquisitive professional artists and designers. In Year 1, students take art history and theory courses in parallel with visual art practice courses, which expose students to a wide array of possible creative approaches. In Year 2, students begin to take Level 2 courses in areas of practice they are personally interested in. These skills courses enable students to develop the materials and techniques required to work in various different mediums and approaches. Our Level 3 courses, which we refer to as studio courses, are large 9-credit courses dedicated to specific areas of practice. These studio courses are taught by 2 practicing artists and 1 history and theory instructor, and are designed to help students advance the approaches and skills developed in Level 2 courses to a sophisticated studio practice. Students develop a personal approach to these areas of practice, underpinned by conceptual and theoretical training. Students meanwhile take self-organized work experience in a professional area of interest to them, and all students are also encouraged to seek international exchange experience through our overseas partner institutions. Final year students take all of these experiences to go on to develop an individual practice that leads to their honours project and beyond into the world as professional artists and designers. Hope to see you at AVA soon.
As long as we stay true, we will get through. Excitement only lasts what we do. Same will never change, it's just a new phase. So darling, won't you stay?